How did you drill a hole in the ceiling? Same as that way. Now you have a better choice, to save your 80% input. This machine can drill holes in various types of ceilings such as concrete and steel, also reduce labor's input and improve construction safety. Let me tell you what kind of machine this is and some of its features. HKZK 430 Automatic Overhead Drill Press. No need to erect scaffolding, the maximum height can reach 12 meters. It using compressed air to provide power and simulate the force of a person during operation. The operation is simple, and the electric drill can hover in any position. Nylon universal wheels, sturdy and durable. The drilling position can be adjusted at will to facilitate positioning during drilling. Adjustable pressure valve can control the lifting speed of electric drill. The rising and falling speed can be adjusted separately. It adopts quick connector, easy to disassemble and assemble. Do you want to know more about it? Welcome to your inquiry.